Get ready for some daunting numbers. According to the National Coalition on Healthcare, American families spent an average of $6,000 out of pocket on health insurance and other medical costs, and that's a number expected to rise to $9,000. So in today's edition of America's Money, we asked financial contributor Melody Hobson, president of Ariel Investments, to tackle this problem, and she's come up with at least 5 ways to cut costs without sacrificing quality of care. Hey, Melody, this is important stuff here, and the first tip is something that I hadn't heard about before: discount clubs for healthcare.
That's right. These are discount medical plans. Think of it like a Sam's Club or a Costco, but for medical plans. You pay a monthly fee, somewhere in the neighborhood of $12 to $30, to cover your entire household. And you get discounts in everything from vision to dentists to chiropractors to pharmacy drugs to a host of doctors. You save a significant amount of money. Now, here is what I must underscore. This is not insurance. So you don't pay a premium. You don't pay a deductible. You can't be denied. You pay the cost out of pocket, and you can save some significant money. So an example, there's something called Ameriplan USA. You'll save 65% on things like crowns and fillings in terms of dental work, 80% on preventative care like getting your teeth cleaned. So these are big, big savings. But don't go ditching your insurance because of this. I'm not suggesting that at all.
Right, this fills in the gaps.
That's right. So this is for people, maybe you have a huge deductible and you can go this route instead, or you've run through all of your insurance coverage for the whole year and you need a procedure, you can go this way, or you don't have any insurance at all. This could be an option.
If you're like most people, you probably don't have any form of dental, vision, prescription, or chiropractic coverage. But what if there was a way to simply reduce those costs by 30, 50, 60, up to 80% or more without the expense or hassle of dealing with insurance? There is truly no limit to the savings you can receive as a member of Ameriplan. Dental services include all specialists such as periodontists, oral surgeons, and orthodontists, as well as braces for children and adults. There is no limit on the number of visits or services you can use, and you can change dentists whenever you want.
Last year, I probably saved about $2,000. I had a crown done, that was gonna be $800, I paid $250. I had a root canal, which was $600, I paid $195.
There are currently over 12,000 optical providers nationwide, including most national chains such as Lens Crafters, Pearl Vision, and this plan is the only national discount eyewear plan endorsed by the Opticians Association of America.
The glasses I have on in iMasters were $464, and I ended up paying $237 for them with the plan.
For your prescription drug needs, there are over 50,000 retail pharmacy locations nationwide, including most national chain pharmacies such as Walgreens, Eckerd, Kmart, and Walmart.
They broke my wrist and I had 3 prescriptions, and I saved, one was $32 and I paid $20, one was $20 and I paid $10. And was $20 and I paid $4.
Over 6,000 chiropractors participate in our chiropractic network, which provides for a free initial consultation, a 50% savings on all diagnostic services and required x-rays, and a 30% savings on all other services.
Certain health plans just don't allow for chiropractic, or in other cases, sometimes optometrists or dentists, and this gives them a discount into our office.
It's clear that Ameriplan is dedicated to helping its members receive professional dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic care at affordable prices.
Telemedicine is like having a doctor in the family. You have around-the-clock 24/7 physician access. Convenient quality care is only a click or call away. Telemedicine is the nationwide alternative to expensive and unnecessary in-office doctor visits. It includes diagnostic consultations. You can call or email one of our doctors 24/7 for diagnosis and a prescription for only $25 per call. Information-only medical consultations are free and unlimited for general advice. Call or email a physician without long waits at the doctor's office.
Frustrated by the high costs of prescriptions?
We have over 50,000 retail pharmacy locations nationwide, including most national chain pharmacies such as CVS, Walgreens, Target, and Rite Aid.
And we offer special mail order savings on most high-volume maintenance-type drugs.
Could use the Ameriplan card there at my local pharmacy, and I discovered I would save 50% there. But when I found I could save 89% with the mail order, I went for that the next month.
I paid $6 for 3 prescriptions. The savings was off the chart.
Ameriplan also includes ancillary medical care, such as labs, x-rays, MRIs, physical therapy, and nutritional counseling.
Laboratory fees for a lipid panel normally cost $88, but with Ameriplan, you only pay $11. That's an 87% savings.
Ameriplan Health also includes hospital advocacy, a valuable service that could save you dramatic amounts of money. How does it work? Simple. If you are a member and are hospitalized, you are assigned an advocate who will negotiate directly with the hospital to drastically reduce the costs. In fact, one of our members recently saved over $100,000 after suffering a massive heart attack just 5 days after joining Ameriplan. He had no insurance and would have been bankrupted, but Ameriplan's hospital advocacy saved the day and saved his family over $100,000. For your interest in the Ameriplan business. This short video will help you understand why the Ameriplan Jumpstart Bonus Bank is allowing people like you to make serious money starting in their first 30 days. Let me show you how this works. First, You must become qualified and active as a benefit consultant, or BC, with Ameriplan by buying for your personal use or selling to a retail customer a Dental Plus membership for $24.95 first month's membership fee and a one-time registration fee of $20 for a total of $44.95. And at the same time, you purchase a $225 Jumpstart Pack, which contains 5 Dental Plus memberships. We recommend you buy a Dental Plus membership for yourself so you can start building your team immediately. A Dental Plus membership for $44.95 and a Jumpstart Pack for $225. The total to get started is $269.95. You are now qualified and active as a Jumpstart Benefit Consultant. You will earn a special commission of 100% of the first month's membership fee on these 5 pre-purchased Dental Plus memberships. If you want to build a strong business, you should start with a $225 Jumpstart Pack. You begin to build your business, and you bring someone onto your team that does the exact same thing. When you do that, you will earn a $50 Jumpstart bonus and get 200 Jumpstart points credited to your team building account, or TBA. You can do that again and make another $50 Jumpstart bonus and get another 200 Jumpstart points in your team building account. You do that again and make a third $50 Jumpstart bonus and get 200 more Jumpstart points in your team building account. Accomplish this in your first 30 days as a new benefit consultant, and you will become an all-star and earn a $250 all-star bonus. And you are now also team building bonus qualified and will start earning $200 team building bonuses. You then do it again, and Ameriplan will begin paying for your personal Dental Plus membership. We call this Get 4 and Pay No More. Of course, you will earn another $50 Jumpstart bonus and get 200 more Jumpstart points in your team building account. Do it again and get another $50 Jumpstart bonus and 200 more Jumpstart points in your team building account. At this time, you now have earned a $250 All-Star bonus and $250 in Jumpstart bonuses. Plus, you have 1,000 Jumpstart points in your team building account. Again, accomplish this in your first 30 days, and you will become a superstar and earn another $250 bonus. And as a superstar, all of your team building bonuses will be increased by 50% from $200 to $300. You will receive a team building bonus each and every time your team building account, or TBA, reaches 1,000 qualified Jumpstart points in your entire Jumpstart organization. You have now earned your first team building bonus of $300 as a superstar. And you have also qualified for the Ruby Award in the prestigious Jumpstart Club and have earned the Ruby Award Medal of Honor. That's almost $1,200 in bonuses and commissions within your first 30 days as a new superstar. Let me show you how the Jumpstart program works. We call it the Ameriplan Magic Multiplier. When you personally recruit a Jumpstart benefit consultant, you are creating what we call a leg. Then, whenever a new Jumpstart consultant is recruited in that leg, it also creates 200 Jumpstart points for every Jumpstart benefit consultant upline in that leg. Let me explain. When you personally recruit a new Jumpstart benefit consultant, you get 200 Jumpstart points credited to your team building account. Then, whenever that Jumpstart consultant recruits a new Jumpstart consultant, they get 200 Jumpstart points credited to their team building account. But you also get 200 Jumpstart points credited to your team building account, giving you 400 Jumpstart points. Then, when another Jumpstart consultant is recruited in that leg, the recruiting Jumpstart consultant gets 200 points credited to their team building account, and their upline recruiter also gets 200 Jumpstart points, giving them 400 points. And you also get 200 Jumpstart points, giving you 600 points in your team building account. So as you can see, every time a new Jumpstart consultant is recruited in that leg, all Jumpstart consultants upline in that leg also get 200 Jumpstart points credited to their team building account. This Ameriplan Magic Multiplier is unlimited in depth and point volume and will qualify you for significant team-building bonuses. This is getting pretty exciting, as you can earn up to 20 team-building bonuses every single week. That's $6,000 for the week. That's $24,000 for the month in infinite team-building bonuses as a superstar. In summary, you have paid in $269.95 and have earned almost $1,200 in bonuses and commissions in your first 30 days as a superstar. So it's easy to see that the Ameriplan team-building bonuses generate income fast. But the best part about it is that it drives your monthly residual income. As you recruit and sell Jumpstart packs and enroll memberships, all of that business generates long-term residual income. Thanks for taking the time to watch this presentation. Get with the person that invited you to see this incredible opportunity and get on the path to financial freedom as an Ameriplan benefit consultant.